everyone, I'm Justin from Unitech. I'm software product manager and then the company app that we designed for Unitech scanners called ScanBridge. It also has 4 core features including configuring scanners, deploying scanners, data editing, and data outputting. Now let's do a little demonstration on ScanBridge. We can configure the scanner settings, including 1D, 2D, postcode, device settings, scan engine parameters. We allow different supported Unitech scanners. We have profile management to do data editing and data outputting, such as regular expressions. And once you've done all the settings, you can export out your configurations and share to worldwide. As you can see, this is our data code, and in my data editing profile, I have already added prefix in my data editing. So when I do the scan, let me choose edit prefix, do a scan. You added a Unitech 2025 dash and it comes with the barcode data. And if you like to do the data output to your business app, same thing, open your business app and change your keyboard to your ScanBridge keyboard. Press a scan key, which will trigger the scan. The data will be outputted to your business app.